Frangipani. I guess I said it right. I don't know. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I am sharing the things I have emptied recently. I have skincare, body care, hair care. So I have quite a few things. I have one makeup product that I emptied, but I love these videos. I love doing them. I love watching them. If you've never watched an empties video, it's where we share the products that we emptied and we let you know whether or not we would repurchase it. So I'm excited. Get comfortable and let's get into it. I want to show y'all, I have two products in front of me that I feel like I'm going to empty either tonight or tomorrow. I feel like I'll get maybe 2 more uses out of them. So let me just go ahead and throw it in the video instead of just waiting until my next empties video. So one is from Fresh Beauty. This is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. So this is a night cream. This is what I put on, like, this is the last thing I put on my face after I do my entire routine. You can see here that, yeah, we'll probably, maybe not tonight, but tomorrow night. If not tomorrow night, it'll be the night after. But I use every single night. Every single night. This is going to lock in your moisture. If you're wanting a face cream that's actually going to make your skin feel plump, it's going to make it look hydrated, it's going to make it look youthful, I think this is a really, really, really nice one to try out. It's super gentle on the skin too. I haven't had any breakouts from it. I like how it smells. It smells fresh. So yeah, it's been a really good night cream for me. Would I repurchase it? Well, I didn't purchase this. They actually sent this over to me, but I would actually purchase this because I like how it makes my skin feel and I like how it makes my skin look. Well, when I wake up the next day. So yes, again, the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face. I'm going to have everything in the description down below. Another product that I feel like I'm either going to use up tonight or tomorrow is, well, if I put makeup on tomorrow, but it's the Believe Aqua Balm Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. So this is about how much I have left. Ooh, y'all probably can't see that because the lights are washing it out. There we go. Can y'all see? I mean, I like for you guys to see what's, you know, see the product in there so y'all can really see, but I barely have any left, so I probably would use this up tonight. If you're looking for a good makeup remover balm, Believe has one. I mean, obviously this one right here. Elemis has one. That was actually one that I featured in my last empties video. And from the drugstore, I highly recommend the ones from Versed. You can get Versed from Target. And there's also another one from the drugstore, that Pond's. Pond's has a good cleansing balm. So if you don't want anything that's too like overly priced, I mean, this is not super duper expensive, but if you're looking for like drugstore cleansing balm, something that's just gonna melt your makeup off, Pond's or Versed are really, oh, what is it, what's that one I used to always use? Y'all know what I'm about to say. Help me out. It's an oil. Cocoa butter cleansing balm. The Shea Moisture Cocoa Butter Formula Cleansing Oil. It's so good. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to be finishing up this one tonight. Would I repurchase this? Absolutely. But I have other cleansing balms that I need to go through. But this is definitely a really good one. It smells really good. It melts everything off really fast. And I don't have, my skin doesn't feel too dried out after I rinse it off my face. So love this stuff, and I definitely will repurchase. Staying on the subject of cleansers, I just finished up the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser from Fresh Beauty. This stuff is everything. If you don't want to go through, you know how some people do they double cleanse? I double cleanse. So I melt the makeup off and then I clean my face with another cleanser. If you don't want to have like 2 different products to do that, this is what you need, because you can use this to take your makeup off. You can use it to wash your face. And it does a great job with both, and it doesn't burn your eyes either. So yeah, so it's the Soy Face Cleanser. It's for all skin types, and it doesn't strip your skin either. So your skin is going to feel soft. It's going to feel hydrated after you use it. You don't have to worry about that tight feeling. You know how some cleansers, after you wash your face, your skin just feels kind of tight. But this one's not gonna do that. So really love this. I have another one that I need to go ahead and open up and start using, because I've been using, I think I told you guys this, but I think I have, but I'm gonna say it again anyway. I have downsized my night routine, so I don't use as many products as I used to, because I was starting to experience a lot of breakouts on my forehead, and I didn't know what it was. I didn't know what was causing it. So I told myself, okay, let me just downsize the amount of products that I use at night. So the only products I'm using right now that I have been consistently using within the last month, almost 2 months now, is of course my Curology. I actually have the Curology moisturizer right here that I finished up. But yeah, my Curology treatment cream, my Curology moisturizer, my Curology cleanser. And I juggle between cleansers. I don't use the same cleanser every single day. So whatever cleanser I have on my bathroom vanity, I just kind of pick and choose which one I want. But anyway, Curology has been my consistent night routine. As far as cleansers, of course, the soy face cleanser, the Belief Aqua Balm if I'm taking off makeup, and then the Tata Harper clarifying cleanser, which I always talk about with you guys. So oh, and I also have been using the Shani Darden cleansing gel cleanser. Yeah, so those are the only 3 cleansers I've been using consistently within the last month, almost month and a half. And I've actually noticed a huge difference with my forehead breakouts with a product that I'm going to be sharing in a few minutes. And as far as the moisturizers, the only one I have been using consistently every single day is, of course, the Curology moisturizer. And for at night, I've been using the Fresh Lotus Preserve Dream Face Cream. Toner. I have a toner, well, a few toners that I emptied, but this toner right here, Freck Beauty Cactus Water. Yeah, that's what it's called. The Freck Beauty Cactus Water Cleansing Lactic Acid Toner. This has really helped with my forehead breakouts, you guys. Ever since I started using this, I have noticed a huge change, because I didn't know what was causing the breakouts, for one. Like, I did not know what it was, but it has definitely replaced my Ola Henry Skin Dark Spot Toner. So this is another product that I emptied. Y'all know I just got this, during the Sephora sale. I hauled it with you guys, and look at this. I went ahead and purchased 2 more, because like I said, it has definitely replaced my Ola Henry Skin Dark Spot Toner, even though this is really good. Okay, this is good, and it actually works. That's why I loved it so much. So I think once I empty, because I've actually started on another one of these. Once I empty that one, I'm gonna go back to using this to see if I can actually clear up, lighten up the dark spots that are left over on my forehead from the breakouts. But right now, I'm really just focusing on clearing the breakouts, which this has definitely helped tremendously. So highly recommend this toner if you guys are looking for a good toner. This one is a clean brand on Sephora, and it's $1 less than the Ola Henry Skin Toner. Ola Henry Skin is, I think, like $29, $28, and this one is either $27 or $26. No, this is $29, this is $28. $1 less, but I still like this one the best as far as, like, you know, helping with breakouts. But yeah, that's what I use. Those are the toners that I use only at nighttime. The toner that I use in the morning, even though I don't really need to use a toner in the morning, but if I feel like, you know, if I want a little extra hydration on the skin, I would go in with my Glow Recipe Watermelon Bright and Tight Toner, which is bomb. If you're wanting a toner that's going to hydrate the skin, give your skin a glow, this right here, just get it. It's so good. It does have a watermelon scent, so just keep that in mind, but it's really good on my skin. Very gentle. I haven't had any breakouts from it. I don't have any complaints with it, so really recommend this one. They have a smaller one on Sephora if you want to just try it out before actually purchasing the full size, but I feel like it's worth it. So yes, that one I emptied. Now, since I have changed my my nighttime skincare routine, let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing like an updated one on my channel. But let's talk about body products. The Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Body Cream. we're done, girl. We are done with this. I just placed another order. I actually purchased the one that's unscented because I want to try my Nest. I have like a Nest vanilla vanilla perfume, but it's oil. So I want to try to use that mixed in with my Josie Maran body cream. Probably the best body cream I purchased from Sephora, besides the one that's from the Sephora collection, which I feel like a lot of people don't like. But this, oh, and of course my Laura Mercier, I love that stuff. But this right here is, girl, this is gonna give you glow for days. It is gonna make your skin glowy and buttery and smooth and soft, and it smells so good. This one is the Vanilla Bean. But yes, girl, so freaking good. And y'all know I just got this during the Sephora sale. So that just tells you right there how much I love that stuff. Another body butter. I'm telling y'all, I go through body butters like crazy. But this one is by Raw Sugar. It's the body butter for sensitive skin. And you can get this from Target. And the one that I have is the green tea, cucumber, and aloe vera. This is a nice body butter as well. But I think I actually like the... what's that other one I told y'all about that I got from Target? Nivea with cocoa butter. Body butter. The best drugstore body butter I have ever tried. Hands down. And I've tried quite a few. And there are quite a few that are like up there on my top list. But Nivea with cocoa butter. It's the 72-hour body. I think it's a 72-hour one or the 24-hour. I don't know, girl. No, 48 hours. Girl, I don't know. But it'll keep you hydrated for days. But this one I liked, but I feel like I'm not going to repurchase this one. But the one from Nivea with the cocoa butter in it, oof, everything. But I did go ahead and empty this one. Even though it wasn't my favorite, I just, of course, wanted to finish it up. But it's nice. It does give my skin a nice subtle glow. But I feel like my skin is more hydrated using the... my skin feels more hydrated when I use the Nivea body butter with cocoa butter. So that's that. I finally used up this hair. It's a hair mask that I hauled with you guys in one of my Sephora hauls. Honestly, I've lost count with all the Sephora hauls I've given y'all. But yeah, it's the Amika Soulfood Nourishing Hair Mask. And between this one and the Briogeo Avocado Hair Mask, I think I like this one the best. I think I like this one the best because even though the Briogeo one, the one that comes in the green container that you can also get from Sephora, even though that one makes my hair feel really, really soft and just like I don't be struggling when I try to brush my hair. But this one right here, my brush, because I have really coarse hair, you guys, and I've already shown my like my wash day routine, co-wash routine with you guys in one of my vlogs. So if you don't watch vlogs, then you would have missed it. But anyway, yeah, when I use this, I feel like it's just not as, I don't be struggling as much when I use this. When I try to brush through it like I do, even though I don't really struggle when I'm using the one from Briogeo, but this one just makes my hair feel so much more softer. And I don't know, it's just something about this that I like more than I do the Briogeo. And it smells so freaking good. But yes, love, love, love this. Oh, and I just keep it in my hair for... honestly, to be honest with you guys, I don't really keep track of how long I'm gonna have this in my hair because when I do my hair, I don't be doing nothing else. Like I just sit around the house. So sometimes I keep it in for all day. Sometimes I keep it in. At one point, I kept it in overnight and just rinsed it out the next morning. Sometimes I keep it in for a few hours and then rinse it out. But I find that with my hair, if I keep a product in longer, it makes it more, it's more manageable. So yeah. Love that. I have a room spray that I emptied, and I got this from Target. This is the Plumeria Guava room spray. What's the brand? I forgot what the... I want to say it's Project 62. I want to say it is. But anyway, it's the Plumeria and Guava room spray. It smells like a vacation on a vacation. Like, it's sweet, it's fruity, it just smells so good. It has the notes on the front. So you have orange, vanilla, peony and frangipani. I guess I said it right. I don't know, but it smells good. But yes, really nice room spray. This is a nice glass bottle too. Every time I hold a glass bottle, I'm like, this is a nice glass bottle. I don't know, I just like glass bottles, and I like that it had the bamboo little top on it. Super cute, aesthetically pleasing. They have a lot of other scents at Target too, if you guys are wanting to check those out. One more product and then we are done. So I just finished up my Huda brow pencil. This is probably the best skinny brow pencil I've ever tried. The only thing, and there's only one thing I don't like about it, is that since it's so freaking, I mean, I can't even show y'all because I'm done with it, but since it's so skinny, it breaks easily. So if you are heavy-handed with this, girl, your pencil is gonna break every time you use it. But it is the best precise brow pencil I've tried. I like this one better than the what's that other one that's really precise? Honestly, this one is the most precise one I've had. It's super skinny. It's skinnier than the Anastasia Brow Wiz. It's skinnier than the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Is skinnier than the, it's super skinny, y'all. Like, I wish I could show you, but this thing is tiny. It is tiny. But yes, love this brow pencil. I would definitely repurchase this in a heartbeat. I should have went ahead and got more when Sephora had their sale, but the shade I use is black brown. So that is everything. That is everything I emptied. I feel like my next empties video is going to be within the next few months or so, because I'm currently running through some products right now. But I really just wanted to share the Belief and the Fresh Reserve Youth Reserve night cream, because I'm about to run out of those within the next night or two. But that is it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if I shared anything in today's video that you guys have already tried out. What do you like about the product, if you like it? And if you don't like it, let me know that too. So let's go ahead and talk about it down below. If there's anything that you guys think I would like just give me some suggestions, any recommendations, any body care recommendations, makeup like anything. Just give me anything. Let's talk about it down below in the comments. But that is it, girl. That is all that I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.